Okay, now I want to talk to you about the concept of brainstorming. Brainstorming is an experience in which we find a way to get out of our own way. Brainstorming is an essential part of the creative process of developing copy, developing any idea. And I want to talk to you for a moment about the inner censor. You see, you have an inner censor that is going to tell you that you don't know what you're doing. That inner censor is going to critique everything before you even get it out. There are times when the inner censor is valuable, but brainstorming is not one of those times. Brainstorming is the time to banish the inner censor. You want to get that inner censor out of the way. Spray that inner censor be gone. Spray the critique be gone. And the inner censor runs out of the room, and then you lock the door. Okay, you have to do that. You must trust yourself, and this is why. Your good ideas don't come first. Sometimes you get a good idea first. Okay, here's the good, and here's the bad, and here's the good, and here's the bad, and here's a good idea, and here's a bad idea, and here's a bad one, and here's a good one, and here's a good one, and here's a couple bad ones, and here's another bad one, and here's maybe a sort of good one. We'll make that a little g. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay? We don't know when our good ideas are going to show up. We have to get them all out first. That's why we banish the inner censor. Because we allow ourselves the freedom to throw out all sorts of stupid ideas along with the good ideas. Don't wait for the good ones to come. If you wait for the good ones to come, they aren't going to come because you're going to be trying too hard. You want to get out of your own way. So, we banish the inner censor because the first idea might be bad. Maybe the second one's good. Maybe the third one's bad and the fourth one's good. Where's number 5? Here's number 5 is good, number 6 is bad, number 7 is bad. Ooh, I didn't even write down a number next to that. That'll be 14. Okay, number 7 is bad. Number 8 is good. Okay, and you don't know the order and you don't know the influence that coming up with some weird bad idea might just be the progenitor of the next good idea, because suddenly you're going on a strange, funny little tangent and you say, oh, go in that direction, throw that thing out there. I like to refer to it as the garbage pile of ideas. This is an essential part of brainstorming. You banish the inner censor and you come up with your garbage pile of ideas.